tricky thing is getting that stick down for that ghost note. Hey guys, Kyle here for another edition of Woodshed Wednesday. Thank you so much for stopping by today. We're back at the kit and we're continuing our conversation on ghost notes with a pattern called the Backbeat Stutter. This is a really useful pattern and you'll start using this a lot once you've got it. I picked it up from Jim Riley's book, Survival Guide for the Modern Drummer. Highly recommend. There's a good section on ghost notes for rock and pop, and so if you're looking for a place to get started, that's a great book to check out. But the pattern is you're going to play 2 E and So 2 is an accent, E and are both ghost notes. The tricky thing is getting that stick down for that ghost note on the E right after the accent. You want to be practicing just that 2E, 2E, and really emphasize the difference in stick height. Here it is in a groove. Really useful, a little tricky, but practice those stick heights and you'll get it. Try it out, and I'll see you guys next week.